Hey there, dance enthusiasts! Are you ready to spice up your moves and dive into the vibrant world of Latin dance? Get ready to groove to the mesmerizing beats of salsa, a dance style that originated in the heart of Latin America. In this video, we'll guide you through the basic steps of salsa and help you master this popular dance form. So, grab your dancing shoes and let's get started. Now, let's break down the fundamental steps of salsa. First, we have the basic step, also known as the forward and back step. Start by stepping forward with your left foot, then bring your right foot together. Next, step backward with your left foot, followed by bringing your right foot together once again. Repeat this sequence, and remember to keep your upper body relaxed and your hips swaying to the rhythm. Moving on to the side step, it's time to add some flair to your salsa routine. Begin with your feet together, then step to the side with your left foot. Bring your right foot to meet your left foot, and then shift your weight to your right foot as you step to the side with your left foot once more. Keep practicing this side step, and soon enough, you'll be gliding across the dance floor with confidence. Now, let's spice things up with a crossbody lead. This move adds a touch of elegance to your salsa repertoire. Start with your basic step, and when you step forward with your left foot, lead your partner to cross in front of you while you pivot slightly to your right. Continue the basic step as you switch positions, allowing your partner to cross in front of you again. This dynamic move will surely impress on the dance floor. Congratulations, dancers! You've taken your first steps into the captivating world of salsa. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and exploring new variations of this exhilarating dance. Whether you're dancing at a social event or simply enjoying a night out, salsa will surely add a touch of passion and excitement to your life. Stay tuned for more dance tutorials and let us know your progress in the comments below. Keep dancing and always embrace the rhythm.